Hey everybody, it's your boy JB. It's 5 AM in the morning. Got the slow cooker out. We're making butter chicken. Add 2 onions to a liquidizer. Throw in 5 garlic cloves. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Blitz it all down to a paste. Melt 125 grams of butter. Place the onion puree into a mixing bowl. Add the melted butter. Add 2 tablespoons of cumin. Add 2 tablespoons of ground coriander. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Add 2 tablespoons of Garam Masala. Add 1 tablespoon of Oregano. Mix it all together to ensure that the spices are incorporated. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Add a tin of tomatoes and give it a good mix. You now have butter sauce. Chop up 1 chicken breast and put it in a slow cooker. Cover it with the butter sauce. Turn the slow cooker onto high and cook for 8 hours. I reduced the slow cooker to low after 4 hours of cooking, and then once finished, mix thoroughly through. Add 2 tablespoons of non-fat yogurt. Add 75 grams of butter and mix through until melted. As always, follow the hashtag @FatLadFood, and if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video.